An FCT High Court in Apo, Abuja has found former member of the House of Representatives Faruk Lawan guilty of demanding a bribe of $3 million and receiving $500,000 from an oil magnate Femi Otedola. Justice Angelo Taluka sentenced Mr. Lawan to 7 years imprisonment. Judiciary correspondent Celestina Area has details now.
We presented a report.
Faruk Lawan was the chairman of House Ad Hoc Committee on Petroleum Subsidy Regime in 2012. He was brought before Justice Angela Otaluka of the High Court of the Federal Capital Territory, seated in Apo, Abuja, by the Independent Corrupt Practices and Other Related Offences Commission on behalf of the federal government. The former lawmaker was a 4-term member of the House of Representatives who represented Bagua Shanono Federal Constituency of Kano State between 1999 and 2015. He allegedly demanded a sum of $3 million for himself from the chairman of Zeno Petroleum and Gas Limited, Femi Otedola. He also allegedly collected $620,000 out of the amount with a view to removing Mr. Otedola's companies from the list of firms indicted by the Ad Hoc Committee for allegedly abusing the first subsidy regime in 2012. Prosecuting counsel Adegboyega Womolo in the course of the trial noted the bribe was demanded by Mr. Lawan. Trial Judge Justice Otaluka found the former representative guilty in the 3-count charge brought against him. She sentenced the convict to 7-year term in prison on counts 1 and 2 of the charge and 5 years on count 3. The judge also ordered the convict to make restitution of the sum of $500,000 he collected from Mr. Otedola to the coffers of the federal government.
It's very clear we are clearly dissatisfied with the judgment delivered by the court for very serious legal issues, and there is no doubt that we are appealing the judgment in every respect. We are going to the Court of Appeal, and there's the option constitutionally open to us, and we are going to explore it to the fullest right away.
The sentence of 7 years and 5 years on the different count charge are to run concurrently. Celestina Area, TVC News, Abuja.